سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح، تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح، وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح، يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح، تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح، وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح، يسعك الفضاء الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear respected brothers, sisters and elders and all the ulamas that are watching this. First of all, Alhamdulillah, it's a very, very beautiful opportunity for West Bengal Charity Foundation to come out here and carry such a worthy project. As we all are aware, we had a cyclone last year, Cyclone Yas, and it destroyed thousands and thousands of families, homes in this particular area. Approximately about 2,000 homes were destroyed in this area. Alhamdulillah, Masjid Zakaria in Preston put an appeal out there, Alhamdulillah, and we raised money, Alhamdulillah, for 50 homes. And these are the sort of houses that we've established in the local community. Alhamdulillah, we've enabled the families to have a roof over their heads and give them some safety and some protection. Alhamdulillah, this is an ongoing project. For £350, we're providing a roof over a family's head. So first of all, Jazakallah to Maulana Junaid, Maulana Hafiullah for raising awareness for this particular project. Alhamdulillah, Jazakallah. And also, like I mentioned, it's an ongoing project, so if you still want to donate towards these projects, it will be much appreciated. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
بذكر الإله تطيب الحياة، تسر أسارير وجه صبيح.